Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Quant for You. My name is Vijay Durga Prasad. Today we will discuss ratio and proportion part 2. In the previous session we discussed what is the meaning of ratio and how to combine the ratios, what is the meaning of proportion and how to apply the proportion in our questions and all these things. We will see today what are the different types of questions you will face in the exams and how to solve them, right? See this question, ratio of milk and water in a mixture is 7:5. If 5 liters of milk and 24 liters of water is added to the mixture, then new ratio becomes 3:4. That means milk and water ratio becomes 3:4. So let's say milk is equals to 7x, water is equals to 5x. Okay, we need to find quantity of milk in the mixture originally. That means 7x value you need to find out how much. So some people will say 7 is 7 into x is something 7 multiple. So 14 also 7 multiple, 21, 28, 35. We have all 4 options which are 7 multiples. So you can't take the chance. So what you have to do now? Initially the milk is 7x liters, water is 5x liters. Now 7x is added by how many liters? 5 liters. 5x is added by how many liters? 24. Now if you are taking the ratio is how much value? 3/4. Observe friends, you don't have to write 4 into 7 and all these things. 4 into 7x, how much it is? 28x. 5x into 3, 15x. That 28x, 15x, difference is how much? 13x. Clear? 4 into 5, now constant, 4 into 5, 20. 3 into 24, 72. What is the difference? 52. 13x is equals to 52. X value is how much value? 4. But what they are asking? What is the quantity of milk in the mixture originally? That is 7x value you need to find out. 7 into 4 is equals to 28 liters. I hope it is clear. Right? Let's see the next question. A mixture of 132 liters contains milk and water in the ratio, which ratio? 8:3. So now some water is added. We don't know how much water is added. Some water is added. The ratio becomes 2:1. Observe this 132 liters, it is having milk and water. In which ratio? 8:3. Milk is equals to 8/11. How we are writing 11? 8 plus 3, 11 into 132. 11 how many times cancel? 12 times. 8 into 12 is equals to 96. Water is equals to 132 minus 96. 132 minus 96. How much? 36 liters. Yes or no? Okay. Now milk is 96 liters same, but water is 36 liters plus x liters is added. Now the ratio becomes 2/1. 96 is equals to 2 into 36, 72 plus 2x. 2x is equals to 72 will goes to that side 24. X value how much? 12. That means how many liters is added? 12 liters is added. But without doing this entire calculation, you can do like this also. Initially the ratio is how much value? 8:3. 8 plus 3, 11 parts, total 132 liters. 1 part 12 liters, right? Okay. Milk is how much initially? Water is how much initially? Milk is 8 parts. 8 into 12 is 96. Water is 36. This is initial. Now milk is same 96, water is changed, but it must be in which ratio? 2:1. 2 parts is 96, then 1 part must be how much? 48 liters. That means how many liters is added? 12 liters is added. So your answer is 12. Clear? Okay. By seeing this question only, you can say what is the answer. No need to solve anything. I'll tell you. Ratio of earnings of A and B is 4:7. Initially, this is 4x, this is 7x. Okay. Now, A income is increased by how much percentage? 50. That is 150 percentage of 4x. And B income is decreased, or earnings is decreased by how much? 25. That means new earning is how much percentage? 75 percentage of 7x. If you are taking this ratio is equals to 8:7, they are saying. By using this equation, you will not solve anything, because x is cancelled. Some number by some number is equals to this value. So you are not getting any information, and in your question there is no money related sentences or no. Then how can you find out A earnings? Is it possible? No, not possible. So answer is what? Data inadequate. Clear? Right. So next one, a sum of 1250 divided among ABC. That means A share plus B share plus C share is equals to 1250. A is getting 2 by 9 times of B share. That means A and B ratio 2:9. C is getting 3 by 4 of A share. That means C and A ratio 3:4. In these two terms, that means in these two ratios, which value is common? A. That means A value I am making it as same by multiplying with 2. ABC ratio must be 4:9 2s are 18:3. That means A share, B share, C share total 25 parts, 1250 rupees. One part is equals to how much? 50. Then A share is 4 parts. 4 into 50, 200 rupees. B share is how much? 18 parts. 18 into 50, 900 rupees. C share is how much? 3 into 50, 150 rupees. That means A share is 200, B share is 900, C share is 150. That is in which option? Option B. Am I clear? Sir, without solving, can we solve this question? That means without writing all these values, can we solve this question? Yes, you can. How it is possible? Check once. Without solving, that means all these writings you don't need to write. So here A share is compulsory how many times? 2 by 9 times of B share. Yes or no? That means this 200 is equals to 2 by 9 times of 800. Is that possible? This 200 is equals to 2 by 9 times of 800. That is first option I am checking. Not possible, right? Come to second option. 200 is equals to 2 by 9 times of B share is how much? 900. Possible? Yes. Then check the next one. C share, that is C share here 150 is equals to 3 by 4 times of A share. A share is how much value? 200. Is it possible? Yes. So both conditions are satisfied. And one more thing, A share 200 if you are taking, B share 900, C share is equals to 150. Then total money is equals to 1250 or not? By checking the options, option B is satisfying all the conditions. So answer is what? Option B. Clear? Right. Now, the income of A and B are in the ratio. The income of A and B are in the ratio 5:3. The incomes of A and B are in the ratio 5:3. The expenses of A, B, C are in the ratio 8:5:2. If C spends 2000 and B saves 700. See, before explaining this question, I want to discuss this thing. Income minus expenditure is equals to what? Savings. Yes or no? Right? Now, incomes of A and B, 5x, 3x you can say. A, B, C expenditures, 8y, 5y, 2y. Yes? And C spends, spending of C. Spending means expenditure or not? A, B, C expenditures ratio 8:5:2. What does this means? If A spends 8 parts, B spends 5 parts, C spend 2 parts. But this 2 parts is how much given? 2000. Then this 5 parts must be how much thousand? 5000. And this 8 parts must be 8000. That means A expenditure we know, B expenditure we know, C expenditure we know. And B savings also we know. B expenditure we know that is 5000. B savings 700. That means income 5700 rupees. Am I clear? Which income this one? B income. But A and B incomes ratio, how much ratio? 5:3. But this is 3 parts is 5700. 3 parts 5700. 1 part is how much? 1900. Then 5 parts. Then 5 parts. 5 into 1900, 9500. A income 9500. A expenditure 8000 rupees. Then A saves, income minus expenditure, 9500 minus 80,000 is equals to 1500. That is A saves 1500 rupees. Clear, friends? Right. The ratio of incomes of two persons, A and B, is 9:7. Incomes 9:7. Expenditure ratio 3:2. If each person saves 2000 rupees per month, if savings are same, A saving is also same, B saving also same, right? Make the savings as same. Here 9 and 3 difference is how much? 6. Here difference is how much? 5. So you can't apply now. But can I write 9 and 7 and 6 and 4? Yes. Sir, how you are writing 6 and 4? I am taking difference between 9 and 7, that is 2. I am multiplying with the 2. 3 and 2 difference is how much? 1. I am multiplying with 1. So A income 9 parts, B income 7 parts. A expenditure 6 parts, B expenditure 4 parts. Here income minus expenditure 3, income minus expenditure 3. This 3 parts is equals to how much rupees? 2000. But what they are asking? Income of A. What is the income of A? Income of A is how many parts? 9 parts. 3 parts is 2000. 9 parts is how much? Here to here how much multiplied? 3. Then here to here also 3 multiplied. That is how much money? 6000 rupees. Otherwise 3 parts is equals to 2000. 9 parts is equals to how much? Cross multiplication, you know. 2000 into 9 parts by 3 parts. Parts cancel. 3 times. 3 into 2 is equals to 6000. So my answer is how much? 6000 rupees. That is the income of A. But when you have to apply this method? Whenever the savings are same. Whenever the savings are same. Otherwise you can't apply this method. Right? See here in this question, you have different model now. Incomes of A and B ratio 5:3. Expenditure ratio 9 and 5. But A saves different money, B saves different money. 13,000, 9,000. Then find the income of B. Let's see. You know, income minus expenditure is equals to what? Savings. Can I write income minus savings is equals to expenditure? Yes. A income I am taking 5x, B income is equals to 3x. A saves 13,000, B saves 9,000. If you are taking the ratio is how much value? 9 by 5. So how you are writing this much easily? Let me tell you. This is income, savings. A income minus A savings. B income minus B savings is equals to expenditures. 5 into 5, 25x. 9 into 3, 27x. 25, 27. 2x is equals to 5 into 13, 65. 9 into 9, 81. Difference is how much? 16,000. Because we multiply 9 into 9, 5 into 13. 65, 81. Difference is how much? 16,000. X value is how much? 1000? 8,000. Clear or not? Then what they are asking is income of B. What is the income of B here? 3x. 3x is your answer. But what is x value? 8,000. 3 into 8,000. So your answer is how much? 1,000? 24,000. I hope you understand, friends. Whenever the savings are same, we have one approach. Whenever the savings are not same, we have another approach. Right? Let's see this question. A, B, C salaries are in which ratio? 5:3:2. There is a proposal to increase the salaries by 20%. A salary 20% increase, B salary 10%, C salary 20% increase. That means A income, new income is how much? Means 120% of 5. B new income is how much? 110% of 3. C new income is how much? 120% of anything. If you are having any doubt like sir how you are writing directly means, let me tell you. If x value increased by 20%, what do you have to write? 120 percentage of x, because it is increased by 20. The new value, the new x value will become 120 percentage of x. If x value is increased by 35 percentage, then what you have to write? 135 percentage of x. If x value decreased by 15 percentage, decreased, then what you have to write? 85 percentage of x. But what they are asking, after increment, after increasing the salaries, what will be the new ratio of their salaries? What is the new ratio? So they are asking just again a ratio. Percentage cancel everywhere. 10 cancel 12 times, 11 times, 12 times. Yes. 3 cancel 1 time, 4 times, 4 times. 4 into 5 is 20, 11 into nothing. 4 into 2 is 8. That means after increase the ratio is 20 is to 11 is to 8. That is option C. This is my answer. Clear? We will discuss more questions in our next sessions. Thank you very much. Keep watching and please subscribe if you like our videos. Thank you.